All right, for small business shout out, one of the first ups that I'm going to do is Mila J. Mila J just sent this to you, girl, and she gave me like a little extra something, honey. First of all, let's all look at the packaging. Y'all know this is cute. Honey, baby, Mila J got it together. All right, so this is a sister friend of mine who is a part of the Next Level Society. It's like a business group that I'm in. And yeah, so she has like a bath and body line. Let's jump in this bag and see what she got. So she's the first up on Small Business Saturday shout out. So yes, she got your girl. Okay, Mila J. Boom, she dropping discount codes. Okay, honey, little cards with a little discount action for my next little purchase. Her business card is in here. Okay. Honey, she got her little promo stickers. Okay, I see you, Mila. Mila J in this thing. Okay, that glow though. That glow. That's what it say. All right. So let's get into these products that she has placed in here. Now, I am completely new to this line, but she has quite a few followers and very good reviews. And her spirit is dope. Okay, like y'all know I fool with good people now. And I got good vibes from the sis. And she has supported my line as I am supporting hers in the right now. And I didn't get this for free. Now, she did drop your girl a few extra things, but this is a purchase that I made from Mila. So this is not like some advertising so you can get your name out there. I actually made this purchase with a sister. Okay? Child, I'm trying to get into this other box. Let's just start with the first box. All right. So she has these loofah bars, honey. Okay? This right. Can y'all see that? I put one on both sides. There we go. All right. And it has, it's a soap. You see the little string on that side. Okay. So it says the exfoliating loofah bar. This one is crispy pear. Okay. And then this one is tonic Noir. Okay. I know this light is kind of like in the way, so I'm not for sure if y'all can see this. I'm trying to pull back from the light. I don't know how well that's working, though. Okay, there we go. Maybe if I go directly in the camera. Okay, there we go. All right, so this is a loofah bar. It's an exfoliating loofah bar, and it says use in light, gentle, circular motions. Okay, so you can exfoliate, soften rough skin areas, great for callus and foot scrubs. I specifically got these for these feet. Okay, for me and hubby. Okay, so he got one and I have one. So again, this is her exfoliating loofah bar, honey. Get them feet together. Okay. All right. Then she also has in here a oatmeal chamomile body scrub. Honey, she got to keep it soft, honey, soft and light. Yes. First of all, let's just look at this packaging. Okay, the packaging is beautiful. Her brand is clear, honey. Honey, Small Business Saturday, honey. Put it out there and make it look like something. Oh, that smells good, honey. You can smell that oatmeal and chamomile. Yes, indeed. And then y'all can see I don't know if I can show y'all that product. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this right here is the body scrub. All right, so that is the body scrub. I don't want to waste it, but yeah, that's the body scrub. And y'all can't smell it, but it smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so we have the body scrub. And then we have the foot scrub, right? The loofah bar. And then in this box over here, we have... Let me get in this thing. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let me follow the dotted lines. All right. So in this box over here, give me a minute while I get these out. Thank you, Mila J, for being out here doing having great products, but also checking your girl out. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. All right, so there is a soothing balm that gently hydrates, soothe, and provide an overall radiance to dry and irritable skin. So let's see. This is the soothing balm. Okay, then. And her products are all natural and organic. So this is her soothing balm. Okay. And you can see that. All right. That's her soothing balm. And this is a muscle balm. And the muscle balm, honey, yeah, this is my other ish right here, Chad. You absorbed into the skin to provide a warm and cool sensation for soothing relief. Y'all know I'm about that cooling sensation. So she has a muscle balm. This is really great for like after a workout. Let me tell you something, okay? Ooh, and it smells good too. So this is her soothing balm. All right. And then the turmeric honey bar, honey, the body bar. This is a soap by Mila J Body. Okay. And it's a turmeric and honey soap bar. All right. So y'all go check out, like, and follow Mila J. She is one of my first up for Small Business Saturday shout out. Okay. Mila J Body. You'll find her on Instagram under Mila J Body. So I'm going to slide her products to the side. All right. Thank you, Mila J. Okay.